In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set a custom text / status under your name on Discord. So we're going to show you guys that right away. So let's get started. Basically you're here on Discord right now, and literally all you need to do is click on your profile picture and you can change your current status right here. But you just want to click on set a custom status. And you want to type something. So for example, subscribe to HTD, so how to digital, and then go to this smiley or emoji tab. You can literally change it to whatever you like. So for example, this cat emoji right here, just like that. So this is the most important part. You can choose the clear after date. So you can either set it on clear after today in 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, or don't clear. And most of the people that use this, or almost all of them, use don't clear. So if you click on save and then go to a server, you can see that it says subscribe to HTD with the cat emoji right there. So yeah, that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.